Guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make Ankara shopping bag, and these are the materials we'll be using: Ankara fabric, paper, scissors, lining, and a strong interfacing. The measurement for the bag we are making will be 25 inches by 16 inches. 25 inches by 16 inches. This Ankara fabric had already ironed the strong interfacing on it. So from this width side, you're going to get the midpoint, which is 8. Then from here you will mark 4 inches, and from here you also mark 4 inches. You are going to do the same measurement for this other part, and that is where we'll be fixing the handle of the bag. This is the handle of the bag, and already ironed a medium weight interfacing on this Ankara fabric. So let's measure it. Okay, this is 19 inches by 3 inches. So first thing I did was to fold to 2 equal parts. Then I folded the edges. I folded on themselves. I'm going to stitch straight down. Also going to stitch straight down. After stitching, I'm going to fix this here. I'm going to do the same here. When that is done, you're going to cut your lining, same measurement with your fabric. So let's measure it. 25 inches by 16 inches should be same measurement with your lining. And what you want to do is to stitch. You're going to stitch. You're going to stitch. When you get to this part, to leave space where we can turn inside out, and you stitch. After stitching the bag round, so I left space here, I'm going to turn this bag inside out for me. When that is done, take your bag to your pressing iron. You're going to fold this part inside. Use your iron to press it flat, and when that is done, you're going to top stitch round the bag. I have ironed and top stitch on the bag. You can see how neat and smooth it is looking. So the next thing you want to do is to fold your bag into 2 equal parts, and you're going to stitch this side straight down. You're also going to stitch this side straight down. After stitching, now you want to measure 2 inches from this point and 2 inches from this point. 2 inches, 2 inches. I'm going to cut this. Going to stitch going to turn your bag inside out. This is the next thing to do. You're going to hold the side like this from the stitch part. You're going to top stitch, tiny stitch on the edge. You're going to do the same here. Tiny stitch, top stitch. You're going to do the same here. You're going to top stitch, tiny stitch. You're going to do the same. You're going to top stitch. Stitch, and we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.